Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Ho Chi Minh City, the biggest and busiest city in Vietnam, and we're going to check out Vietnam's newest airport terminal, the brand new Terminal 3 at Tan Son Nhat Airport. This terminal only opened about 6 months ago, in April 2025, and right now it exclusively handles domestic flights. Terminal 3 is seriously impressive. It was built to handle up to 20 million domestic passengers per year, and you can really feel how modern and spacious everything is. Over on this side is Vietnam Airlines, the flagship carrier of the country. Most of their domestic operations have already moved here to T3. The check-in area is wide, bright, and much more organized compared to the older terminals. This terminal uses advanced technology, faster security lanes, and improved passenger flow, which is a huge upgrade for Saigon's airport experience. Now let's head down to the arrival area. And yes, there is a free shuttle bus connecting Terminal 3 to Terminal 2, International, and Terminal 1, Old Domestic. The shuttle runs regularly and takes around 20 minutes to reach Terminal 2. Alright, now let's make our way to the hailing ride pickup point. This is the designated area for all ride-hailing services like GrabCar and GrabBike. It's clearly marked, easy to find, and usually much cheaper than taking a traditional taxi. Let me walk you there so you know exactly where to go when you arrive at Terminal 3. So that was the GrabCar pickup point. Now follow me. We're heading over to the GrabBike pickup area. It's usually in a different section from the cars. I'll show you exactly where it is, and after that, we'll take a GrabBike ride all the way to the city center. It's one of the fastest and cheapest ways to get into downtown Saigon. We're almost there, just a few more steps. And here we are. This is the Grab Bike pickup point. From here you can book a Grab Bike and it usually arrives within 5 minutes. Now let's grab one and head straight to the city center. And that's our full walking tour of the brand new Terminal 3 at Tan Son Nhat International Airport here in Saigon. If you're traveling domestically within Vietnam, you'll most likely come through this terminal. And honestly, it's a great upgrade for travelers.